What is going on, guys? I'm Callum from CIR Inventions, and I am here today with Ian, my special guest.
Hello.
Today, we have a camping tent. It's a two-man. The best parts about this tent is that it's small, light, and portable. It's weather-resistant, as it has a rain fly, keep rain out. It keeps most of the wind out, and you generally feel pretty good if you got your sleeping bag and your pad. But, of course, there are flaws with this tent, so I'm going to give this to Ian, and he's going to tell me some of the things that he would like to see fixed about this tent.
Alright, Callum. So, coming from experience, I know one flaw is that this tent really, although it can keep out the rain and the wind as well, it still can get really cold, so you have to use a sleeping bag in order to stay warm.
I mean, that's pretty standard, but
Yeah.
yes, I see where you're going with that.
I can say another flaw, you have to be very careful on how you treat this tent, because it can very easily rip. Fun story, I've had the bottom of my tent once rip a little bit, and I didn't know it until I found a spider in my tent. So you have to treat it very carefully, because it is very fragile.
So I'll take this tent back from you real quick. Those are his flaws, and I will begin sketching new ideas to fix it. So in the end, after going and thinking of ways to improve Ian's tent based on the problems that he gave me, I came up with the solution that you see to my left. The solution is really useful because of its being double layered and the rainfly being built in. The rainfly being built in makes it much easier to set up, and it keeps a lot more wind out because on the sides there's no openings for the wind to come up through the bottom and then flap inside your tent and make you cold. And it's super easy to set up because it's already built in, and all you have to do is pull out the sides and stake it in. It's more resistant to tears, and even if one layer does tear, you still have your one layer there because it has to poke through two layers. It also just makes the tent more durable, while also keeping the tent very light and portable, which is one of the best parts about a small camping tent like that. So those are my solutions. Thank you to Ian for helping me with this video. If you want to subscribe to his channel, I'll put a link here. If you want to subscribe to us, I'll put a link here. I'll see you guys in the next video.